In this video I'll show you how to make a simple yet elegant wooden lantern. The cool part about these lanterns is that they're very small, so you can easily find the wood for it in your scrap pile. All of the dimensions for each piece are mentioned here below. Or if you want a set of drawings to bring to the workshop, you can go to my SD shop and download the drawings. But let's get started with the project. We'll start off with the center part of the lantern, and we only need two profiles for this, a 25 by 25 mil and a 25 by 19 mil. And in inches is 1 inch by 1 inch and 1 inch by 3/4 of an inch. I already planed them down in profile, so all we gotta do now is cut them in length. I almost forgot. We need to cut this small rebate on the circular saw before we cut them in length. Rebate has been done, and now this part right here is 3/4 of an inch or 19 mil and fits perfectly with the other piece. All I want to do now is round off this edge right here with my router. I've set a stop here on 200 millimeters so I get the exact same height on all four corners. Same goes for the smaller ones. I've just got another setup because these pieces are very small. And now we put the two pieces together. The center part is done. Let's move on to the top and the bottom. For the assembly, I'm going to use my nail gun with some 30 mil nails. But before I start the assembly, I want to round off all these edges. This lantern is made so it can sit on a table or on a sideboard. If you put a small hook right here, you can hang it outside with a little LED candle inside. And yes, it has to be LED, not a real flame. So if you are going to mount them outside, you can flip it around and make 3 more of these. Put those on top. That would look pretty cool for the outside. In regards to surface treatment, there's a lot of different options. You can paint it any color you want, or give it a clear coat of varnish, but I'll give mine a clear coat of oil. And here we go, we're done. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Take care.